Starting off strong today here in the 30 minutes time frame. Rejected the previous day value area high. It's a quick zoom out here and mark all these picked levels from the minark natin yung mga peak levels ng DS volume profile, which is I believe from the from here 9:30 to 6 o'clock of Thursday to Friday kasi Friday we only traded for that much. Wala masyado nangyayari. So looks like we're going up now at this point. Also want to see how the volume profile will develop here. So interestingly, yeah. Mm. Closing above the VWAP though ng Globex, which is good. Closing over the VWAP, this is good for me. See what the market will do from here. I don't want to have the current session volume profile though. Mark this out from 2 o'clock to this is the end. So start at 9:30. Yep. And we'll put this left side. Not that one. There's a buying happening there though, so that's good. Unlock this. There we go. Lots of buyers stepping in. At 7571 madaming absorbed buyer though. The absorbed buyers get absorbed at 7571. We have 10 we have PMI at 10, I believe. We have PMI at 10, so can't really do much about that one. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Kinda also want to see Delta in this. Delta as well. Let's see how we're doing things. Wait, I do have this level checked. So we have trap buyers at 71 7571.50 around this area here. Trap buyers here. As you can see how this works out from, I see GU. GU is going up though. Hmm. Mhm. Financial juice. And our trading journal up as well. Took a trade earlier which was a loss, so that's sad. Back in the level, previously very high. Back in the level, previously very in previous week's POC. We do have a lot of buying happening around this area. Lots of selling, not buying. Yeah, lots of buying there, I believe. I'm a little bit more interested for us to go up from here than to go down, to be honest. Really need data there. I can adjust this one again. I don't really need data for that. Where is that? To borders. I've been enjoying borders lately. Okay, not that kind of borders. Let's go back. I like it. I don't like that. Bars. Okay. Pretty strong push coming off. Green here. We do have an imbalance here as well. This a good side for us to go up, to be honest. Could potentially go up from here. Could 1:1. Imbalance right there. Mm, the only thing that's stopping me from taking this trade is first because yung VWAP, your session VWAP is right there, and we did reject this node na minarko, and we do have trap buyers on top of that as well. So that's mainly the only reason why I'm not that interested. If we can close bearish below value area low, I might be. That's what I meant. That's 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 what I was thinking. That's what I was thinking. That's what I was thinking. Yeah, so that's what I was looking for. Rejection of VWAP. My thing is I've got my my thing in this movie is that I don't have any level to play with. I like that we have trapped buyers. A lot of buying happened, but sellers won. So I like that. Mhm. 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 Pop, 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 pop. Oh, there's another reason why I don't want to take trades yet because of PMI. I think we have PMI right today. Yeah, we have PMI at 9:45. So in a minute, in a minute, we don't want to be. And it's S&P then S&P Services PMI final. So we're about to see some potential movements here. I think. Mhm. See, can we reclaim this area and push up? Like what I'm thinking is popping up above here and then pushing back down, and then that's a potential level right there. Forecast was 51.3. The actual was 51.2. Is that good? I think it's not. Is it good? I'm not sure. But we're going up. No, I think we're gonna go down. We might be retesting this buyers at 7571. It might be. Yeah. A lot of buyers started happening. 485 buyers. We move up there though. Okay. It looks like we're rejecting. I like this going up. I like this going up, to be honest, guys. I'm gonna start measuring here. Risking 300, so about, I guess, 8 points. Gonna be 6 points, I think. Uh, we barely is the delta. Still have to figure that out. Still have to figure that out. So we're just gonna use volume. Still have to figure that out. So a lot of buying happened here. So that was a potential support. 18 seconds left. Let's see if we can get a green here. Like a solid, beautiful green. I think we should go with 7. No, buy stop. No. There we go. This is, yep, there we go. And we're going for 1:1. Then we're gonna oh, where is my one? Yep, that's correct. My point 0.8. Yep, there we go. Point 0.8. Break even. Just take it. Take me out. There we go. Good 1:1 for us. First trade is done. Love that. Love that. So that was what time? 20:03. Trade 1 was done at 20:03. So this is the second trade for the day. Took a trade earlier. New York. MES. Long. How many did we do? Let's see. 7. We did 7. That was a good trade for us. I did buy off of about 5, 6, 7. Is it? So, yeah, so at 5, 6, 7. 567.50. 7561.25. and we got out at 73.75. This was a VWAP trade. We have a VWAP trade. We have a VWAP. I have VWAP. Why don't I have VWAP on my other item? VWAP. New York VWAP. There we go. Done. Apply to all. This was reversal, right? Yeah, this was no, this was absorption, I think. Yeah, absorption. No, we had what was this is like a high volume node plus VWAP. Copy link. Can we? Yep, good. Okay, so we're done with the first trade. Ugh, that session is cool. But anyways, oh, okay. There was a we touched an imbalance there. Uh, is this because of the? It's definitely because of commission. Yeah, the commission. Commission. Mm. We're like a few minutes before the first 30 minute for the first 30 minute ends. Is going to be our RB high and this is gonna be RB low. So we're gonna wait for the initial balance high, initial balance low. You have a bit of do you have a bit of volume cluster here happening here? You can see that. We got 10 o'clock. Huh? have another news in 2 minutes, so we'll wait for that again. Okay, 1 more minute, and we're gonna be up. Da-da-da-da-da-da. We're definitely rejecting the view up here, guys. If this M30, kapag tong M30 na close above this volume, high volume node, I think there's a good chance for us to push to previous week value area high and even to this node. So these will be good targets if we do close above that. If not, ang good area to target will be this level here and the previous day POC or the previous week value area low, which is pretty far. Okay, so we did close below. We do have a volume cluster being noted around this area. Um, the thing with this move is we do have a lot of buyers around this area here, this volume node in this area. So I think this could be a potential support, or we push below that could be a potential resistance for us. Lots of sellers here, be honest. Daming selling na nangyari dito. So, see if buyers can step in. Kasi ang daming sellers dito. Like, just pure sells here. So I want to see if we can close above this level. Right, if we can close above that level, let me just fix this up. So I don't need to be extended. Right, this level here. There we go. If this gives me a reversal signature where yung POC is 50% in terms of like the body place, I think I'll be interested of putting another level here. My only concern in this area is I don't have any place where to. I think I'm gonna put it here above this level here. 1.25. I think I'm gonna put it here. About 250. see how much this is again. 275. Think 9. Yeah, 9 will do here. But I need it to be a nice, strong bearish candle. Kapag this one doesn't go down below this volume node, then we won't take it. Okay, you didn't tag us though. No imbalances then, so no imbalances here, so I'm not too interested. I needed to have tapped that area though, so wait for it to see if we can get a tap there. We're above VBOC, above value area high as well, so mm, uh, and like it. Okay, okay. At this point, we're just gonna wait. That was a good spot for us, to be honest. Just don't have like I don't have my entry framework. It didn't give us the entry framework. Didn't tap, so and then it just ran away from us, and we could have gotten a 1 to 1 already. Here we go, pushing down quite a bit here. Hmm. I want to see if we're gonna go up here, but because my only concern still is this area had a lot of buyers stepping in, like 181. I mean, because we're just scalping this in, so we're gonna see if we can get this one here. So, quick 1 to 1 again. There we go. Gonna leave it there. See if we can do a quick 1 to 1 here. Holy, putting a stop loss just above there. Quick 1:1. Marker point 8 though. There is 6. Another one. So we got in at 7576. 7565. 7565. 7565.75. Stop loss is at 7571. So see if we're gonna. Don't think this is gonna. Really is gonna pan out. I hope it will though. I hope it does. Here we go. Point 0.8. If it goes to point 0.8, we're moving our stop loss. Okay, we're rejecting the VWAP. Lots of buying happened there. So that might be another reason here. See if sellers will step in. Sellers are trying to push it down. Sellers got trapped here. Sellers got trapped. Sellers got trapped. Buyers got trapped here. This might not pan out how we want it to, but it is what it is. So so we could potentially touch that 757 before it starts to push down. Yun lang yung thought ko dito. It could go all the way up. It could go all the way up and tap this 485 buyers and then push down. You know what I mean? This was a volume cluster, I think. I don't have a significant level, so that's one thing that I've been doing. Don't have any significant level yet again. Volume cluster. So this might be a loss, guys. This could be a loss. Here we go. Here we go. There it is. So 571 could be it. There's the loss, guys. First loss. Well, technically second loss of the day. There we go. Tapped us. We got seller's trap here at 756.50 as well. So I was expecting that was gonna be a loss for me. Okay, we're lost again. A little bit more than usual now. Um, gonna have one last trade here. See if we can get to break even again. Uh, levels. In terms of levels, we have these two levels here and that level there. So we should. Okay. Yeah, so we have trap sellers over there. See ourselves. There we go. Good. Yeah, there we go. Trap sellers here. We got sellers here potentially trying to push the market down now. But we'll see. We'll see. It looks like we're ranging. Oh no. I don't wanna push out 350 to. 250 lang tayo. That was too much. I wasn't calculating. That was wrong. That was wrong of me. I didn't calculate properly, guys. I did not, yeah. Did not calculate that properly. I did not calculate that properly. Go back. That was annoying. I did not calculate that properly. 175. I should have went with. Yeah, that was 350. But we would have. I think. Yeah, we could have. We would have. Hmm. To get a loss here, anyways. But our. We're now up. We're down 500 books. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm, mm. We're selling here. Feel like I should have had my stop loss above here. No. Yeah, that was a better trade there. Mm-hmm. You know the you have buyers though in this level. Buyer stepped in here. hmm Okay, so buyers got buyers are getting reward here. So okay, sellers got we got sellers here now. Sellers got absorbed there. I think we're gonna go up if we could get there. We've got no levels except for this previous big blurry eye, so we're gonna wait for that. This is the way I'm imagining. The way I'm imagining this is we could tap here, then we go back down. Uh, no levels yet. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. Oops. Take out me first. Yeah, I should lessen the load. Here we go. Going up previous week by your head, and we might be targeting this next volume node here. Can't wait for our levels. Oh, what happened to our GU trade? Are we going? Yeah, this might be a lose. This might be a lose. So we don't have. Yep, yep, yep. Got sellers here. Lots of sellers trapped. Sellers trying to push this down. My thing is, if we're gonna go back, this buy area high is gonna be a good spot for us to reverse from to continue going up if we can get there. Um, we have a baby node sort of building up here. Tap tap pop or pop 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 pop. That's what I'm looking for now. Sellers are stepping in, which we might get a result from the sellers. We might. Well, we do have a bit of a we do have a bit of a buyers stepping here. Okay, so sellers got rewarded here, essentially. Yeah, have to know. Up, 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 up. Ba-da, 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 boop, boop, ba-doop, 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 ba-doop. So what I like here is this. So we'll see how this will will work out for us. Sellers are pushing. Lots of buying happened here. Lots of sellers trying to push this down. Sellers are trying now to push down, but they're not getting results, guys. We're not getting results, so we might be able to push this towards the upside. If we are able to push towards the upside, this is a good target for us. Pero again, once to one lang naman tayo today, so two 67. I want to see sellers getting trapped around this area. Mhm. Okay, the buyers are now trapped up there. A lot of buyers here, so I think if we go back to this level, might be a good spot for us to take a trade towards the upside. Not gonna lie, looking good for a long. If we can go back, if we can push up and then go back. Okay, lots of balances there though. There we go. Lots of buyers here. Always been curious about M5 by the way. Like I know there's a lot more people trading M5 for longer trades. Let's see. A lot of buyers stepping in now. I like I like it for short if we can break out of this. See, buyers are stepping in. Cannot. 206. Again, buyers are pushing up, right? Buyers are pushing up. Buyers are pushing up, buyers are pushing up, buyers are pushing up, unable to go up. Here's the move. See, a lot of buying didn't happen. We pushed down. And now I want to see sellers like aggressively joining in. I don't want to see it. Try. I want to see the buyers try. I want to see the buyers trying to go up back to previous week buyer high, and then we push down. So, but right now we don't have. I don't have much sellers yet. Like 103, 131. Not quite big. They're not big numbers yet. So, but we. That's the sort of like the area that I'm looking at. So I want to see it push down about, you know what I mean? That's what I'm looking for now. Okay, sellers could potentially have one here. Hindi ito ng laptop ko, guys. Okay, we have a seller trap here. So let's see if the buyers will step in. That's a buying here, guys. So excuse me. A lot of buyers here, but no sellers. We had this one. That's about it. That's about it. So. here we go. Celsius step in 172. See if we're ever gonna get Valerie. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, I missed it, I think. Bagay ba kayo area hoy? Hoy, area hoy. Okay. So, yes. Konti na lang. Madami. Dami. Okay. I right here. If we get a nice green here, I think I'm willing to take it. Take a bite or stay outside. View up though. Wanna see if we can tap the view up. The view up. Sold though. Here we are, pushing up. Baba node there. Baba node. Oh, we might have a POC shift soon. Let's see. Bias stepping in. Mhm, 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 mhm. See the M1. I'm curious. Mm, 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 mm. I like M2 better. I like M2 better. wanted to tap there though, so let's get absorb here. Again, buyers are trying, unable to push up. A lot of buying now. So we rejected the volume cluster. So if this goes up, this goes up, I'd be interested. Oh, whoa. Ah, what did it do? What did it do? Do here. See if we can get one shoot to here a bit. Mm, 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 mm. Pretty close above that. That's gonna be a good sign for us. Let's see, squeeze. Let's see if we close above this. Maybe to break even soon. Yep, break even. Get that. See if we can get all the way there. Don't tag me out now. Don't tag me out now. Get me, at least get me up though. Don't tag me out now. Okay, not getting tagged out yet. Sellers are trying to push this down, guys. A lot of selling happening. A lot of sellers, like sellers are trying this right here. Sellers are trying here. They're getting met up with passive buyers. Sellers are trying, but there are another sellers trying. This could be good for us. We are pushing up still. What's my good funded features? So 1500. See if we can get all the way up there. Ugh. Kailangan 1,000 dito. Here. Para sa limit there. Just want to see if we can get up there. Like, without it going back down here first. I was risking 250. 350. 5581. 7581. 7581. 1:1 right. 7578.5. See if we can get this one, guys. And I don't mind taking another trade towards the upside once we touch previous week very high. Okay, sellers are trying. I want to see if the sellers will hold this level here. Because if not, we're gonna go down. No buyers, that's for sure. No buyers yet, so we'll see how this will move for us. Just don't want this to close below or inside the buy area. If we can. Player has potentially moved now, so I'm gonna put this up a bit because I think. Oh, oh, oh. So I'm gonna take me out. Yeah, there we go. Got tagged out there. Tagged out there. We're close inside the wire. I don't like that. I want it to go up. I want it to poke above there. Let's see if this was a good break-even trade for us. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. 200. I like it though. Break above there. I'm gonna front run this a bit here. If we go up and beyond, 200, 200, 200, 200, 200. Wanting to close above though. We haven't really closed above. Lots of selling. Lots of selling. Lots of selling. Oh, sorry, not selling. Buying. We tap this one again. Potentially push up, but my thing is POC has moved here now, so not a fan of that for sure. down, pushing down. Tap the orb high now. Let's see how this will react. See how this will react. Mm-hmm. Might be going down here though. The volume cluster is. Don't get like a good bullish candle here. Might go down still. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. goes above the POC. Can't, and then we stop us to here. So we might just go down from there. Goes above the POC. And has to step in, they have to step in. They got to step in. So we'll just stop us to here. Okay, it's a good sign. Should I might as well hold this level. Let's see. One more time. So we can get there though. So if I do you think? Get a squeeze up. Get a squeeze up. Break above the bar right high. Break above the bar right. At 1:2, I'm gonna remove half. So that it could, you know, up a bit. 5. Dial 250. Yung ikalaban natin is ito. Ano yun? This one right here. It's gonna be the next problem. Sa limit ka na naman. Get me up there. Just get me up there. this, it's 1 to 2.5. We'll move my stop loss to 1.5, 1 to 1. It's about 250, basically. Right about there. So we get to 1 is to 2.5. So I'm expecting to find resistance around that areas. Yes, we don't. Yes, we don't. Let me see. I don't want buyers to get absorbed there. So let's see if buyers can keep up towards the upside. Sellers tried here. Buyers absorb them. Let's see if we can push up to 2.5. So we can move this to 1 is to 1. 1 is to 1. Yes, I'd like for us to at least get, let's move it to 1 is to 3. 750. Let's see if we can get there. Okay, we have absorbed. I don't want this to get absorbed. Push up. There we go. Squeeze it in. Squeeze through. Squeeze through. 2.5. 2.5. 2.5. So we can get this. The gut feeling can get up to here. Here at least. We can see if we can get a squeeze. Now I see the buyers protect. You know what? I see the buyers protect. A lot of selling. I see the buyers protect this level here. Okay, the buyers protect this level. So the buyers protect it. Protect that level. like what we're saying now, we could potentially be taken. Could look to go back to the very high. Slowly up, stepping in. A lot of buying happening here. Let's see how this will turn out for us. Not so sorry, stepping in. Yeah, Japanese. Do, 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 do. I don't think we can get up from there. It looks like we can. We can close above this by our big trades. Buy big trades. Buy our big trades. We close above them. That is. I mean we did close above here. So this is the next one. We close above here, we can definitely get our tree here. We can have four here. I mean if we can't, we might still end up to. See if we can get up. I'd like for us to go up. Can we push through? Can we push through? Bit more. Don't be shy now. Don't be shy now. Squeeze. Oh, look at that. Teasing me. Getting teased. A 1.8. Come on, 1 is to 2. There we go. There we go. Oh, getting teased again. Look at that. Getting teased. Like crazy. If we do get taken out, at least we lessen our loss to 100 only for Monday, which is good. Which is really good. So, now seller stepping in here at 7586.50. A lot of selling happening here. So if we cross below that 786.50, we might push down. We might push down. So either we're absorbing that 481 delta or we're not. We might we might get taken out here, guys. Which is okay for me. I'd rather have that than um $400 loss. You know what I mean? It's a better trade for us. Just want the buyers to step in. What's happening to in our let's see. Let's see what we have. We're losing. Okay, so we're losing buying interest. Lots of selling here. If we close below these two levels, we're definitely gonna go down, which I think we're about to have. There's a lot of selling here at this level. So you see it get absorbed or something. Get absorbed, then that's good. Buyer step in, push towards the outside. If not, we're gonna drop like I said. See how this will work out for us. So again, so much selling here. So much selling here. So much selling. Squeeze me through. I feel like I want this to be foreign a lot. We'll stick with three. So we're gonna have lunch break. Can we get a squeeze? Oh, look at those sellers trying. They're trying. Sellers are trying. They're trying. Sellers are trying. Sellers are trying. I'm gonna move our stop loss to here. Because I'd rather see if the sellers win in this battle. If sellers wins. If sellers win, we're gonna drop. So we're gonna have to see. Okay, see. Sellers won there. Sellers get a result. Question is, what will this candle do? Would buyer step in? Yep. No, buyers won't step in, guys. There we go. And we're done 157. See? Oh my gosh, let's see if we can trade that in the PM session. But overall, we're up 157. We're done 157 for the day, which is, I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. Definitely okay with that. Um, okay, just close, make sure everything, all the levels are closed, and yeah, New York session, open session New York, whatever is done. Got taken out here. Up 157. So that's it, down 157. So I think I'm okay with that. It's better than nada, you know. Better than the forward. Better than the $500 loss. Recovered that quite easily. This might eventually go to 1 to 2, by the way. If we're getting this kind of reaction. Most definitely. Anyways, done for the day.